It's just the washing machine. It's okay. Oh, look at you. I love how your ears can move independently. It's mental. That's my boy. Where's your giraffe? Where's Jerry the giraffe? It's just the washing machine. It's okay. Chillax. Oh, my cutie pie. Where's my cutie pie? Oh, I know. He's a good boy. Yeah. There's your tingly. Oh, it's there. It's just a washing machine. Alex. Alejandro. Alejandro. Alexander. Alex. Donkey. Monkey. That's not my name. That's not my name. Oh, you're gonna investigate the washing machine? No, you've curled your paws. You're doing nothing. Going for a nap? What are you doing? Nothing, because you won't shut up. Yeah, apparently I did the voice of my own cat. Worry about me. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Alex. Look at me. Hey, crazy. Check in. Alex. It's only the washing machine, crazy boy.